Sex is one thing that keeps the relationship going, keeps the whatever it is going. And it's not the only thing. I mean, your other things are involved.
Yeah.
Loyalty, trust, commitment.
What's one thing that you can compromise in a relationship? That you know that, okay, this person is not perfect, but this is one thing that they have that you're like, I don't like it too, but I can manage it.
Anything, as far as I love you.
Oh, that's so nice, really.
Yeah. If I don't love you, that's when I will. But once I'm in love with you and I discover, oh, this is...
Like this is that person's shortcoming, you can manage it.
I'll manage her.
If that person lies.
That person, I detest lies.
Yeah, still, like, think about things with that. You're not saying anything. Anything can be anything crazy.
Give me the things now. Okay. I can't just think of anything.
Exactly. Okay, let's say personal hygiene.
Personal hygiene. Why? I've dated somebody who is down, like, lowest on personal hygiene, and I trained the person. I helped the person.
Okay.
Personal hygiene, that one is, it's not even among.
Really?
We'll work on it.
Okay, I'm not saying for myself, I'm just asking random questions before you, I don't get my own personal hygiene, they're good though, I beg.
No, I know what you're giving me an example.
Yeah. What if that person is a flirt?
A flirt.
Mm-hmm. Like, you know, she likes to just move a certain way around guys. You can see her getting excited when other guys are coming. She's giving them eye contact. She's not doing anything with them that is like crossing the line, but you can just tell that this person likes attention from the opposite sex.
That one, exactly.
Like she's twerking and posting those kind of things. Like she's very free with her sexuality. Is that going to be a problem for you?
But when it comes to flirting and having to do the happy ending, does she do the happy ending or is she just flirting? Just
flirting, there's no happy ending. She's just free. She's just like, maybe there's a guy that's a friend, she can jump on him. All those kind of things.
Before we get into the relationship, I've been left.
But let's say you did not know. That's what compromising is.
No, there's no way I will not know. Because I don't just see somebody and date the person. So we have talking stage for a while, knowing each other. So there's no way you hide that from me.
But what if there's other things that are clicking, but that's just that one thing that you don't like?
I will leave. I will move.
Really?
Let's nothing will click again.
So that means you can't compromise on that?
That one, no.
Okay.
Unless it's going to be an open relationship where you be talking, doing your thing. It's open
relationship thing.
No, it's true now.
Have you been in an open relationship?
I haven't. But I rather be in an open relationship than knowing that I have a girlfriend and she's cheating on me.
I'd rather just be alone. How about that? I'd rather just be single.
Why I said I rather...
Because I feel like I'm just going to be honest with myself. I feel like before you start anything, you need to be honest with yourself. I need to understand what you like and what you don't like and what you can accept and what you can't accept. I will never be okay with knowing that somebody that I am seeing that is in any... Okay, because before me and you even sit down together and decide that we want to open a relationship, there's a relationship that is going on, or there's a thing that we have that is bringing us together, Abi.
And you know, okay,
if I have that thing with you, I'm not going to be okay sitting down and making sure, except I don't love you, so I don't like you. And if I don't like you and I don't love you, why am I even there in the first place? Why can't I just be single and enjoy the options and the varieties of life? Why am I going to be tied to one person and still watch that person or when I'm with you, I'm thinking, another girl has been here.
But you know some people are in a low-key open relationship, but they don't know.
Guess what? It's better.
It's better.
I'm not saying it's better, but if I don't know, it's different from if I'm aware.
But you are aware, it's just that you guys have not brought it to the table because I know you're cheating, you know I'm cheating.
Well, it can never be me.